Okay, right now we are going to learn this together, and I want to hear from your particular place how you speak your own, how you speak your language, as in your dialect, how you speak it in your own dialect of Igbo language. So in my place, if somebody traveled or somebody just come into your house and you want to tell the person welcome, how do you tell the person welcome in your dialect? Because in my dialect, we say wow. And now if in Nekubu say also when be maru jeni ko maru basa no noi ka ngunonya ka ya gwonya ni dialect if any Nekubu say wow if onye jesh ni jo ko ngunonya gbaje no so ochiseke if any nekenewe bon wow. Now n'obodo ebe dị ebe ọ bụ na ya dị ne ọsọ ọnụ na-asụ bịa ịba nwere mmadụ chiseke n'ụzọ ke ya gụnye. What do you tell somebody that is just coming back from somewhere? As in, how do you say welcome in your dialect, in your own dialect? Well, me, in my Ndokwa dialect, what we say is noao. I know that there are some dialects that say no. So there are many of them like that. So just tell us in the comment section, kindly tell us the name of your community, you understand, the dialect you are speaking, and how you say welcome in your dialect. You know, we are all talking about the language, the Igbo language. So how do you say welcome? So that when we find ourselves together, maybe I see myself now in Enugu, I see myself now in Ebony, you know, but I'm in Delta already. How are you going to welcome me? How are you going to tell me welcome? Because if I see you, an Anambra man in Delta, if I see you, Enugu man here in Delta, I'm going to tell you Noao. So Noao is what we speak. That's what our dialect, you know, that's how we call it in our dialect. We say Noao as welcome. So in your own dialect of the Igbo language, how do you say welcome? Now go to the comment section and write it down so that we can learn together. Yes, we can learn together, because indeed, Osonona Subia Aniwofu, don't let anybody deceive you. All right, catch you. And don't forget to follow me for more. And don't forget to share this post so that as many as possible can learn from this. Thank you. Watch out for the next video. All right, I remain your humble young chief, Ifani Chuku Enuwas, popularly known on the media as Sen Rich K. Daloni Beneni Ndewoni.